How to install YouTube app. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can install YouTube app from your device. In order to do so, you will need to follow the steps. Find the YouTube application on your home page and then long press on it. By doing so, you'll be able to see this pop-up. From here, you will need to find the install or disable button, or you may also go to your device settings and then look for YouTube there. Slide down from the top of your screen and then tap on the settings icon at the top right. Once you reach to the settings page, you scroll to find the application option and then tap on it. Now here you will need to look for the YouTube application. You may also use the search icon at the top right and then in the search field type in YouTube. You will get the YouTube application here. Simply tap on it to open it. Here you will need to look for install option. If not, you will need to look for the disable option. Since YouTube is often a pre-installed application, you may not be able to install it completely, but you will be able to disable it. Simply tap on the disable option at the central button below and then tap on this disable app. This will prevent the app from running and hide it from your app drawer. Also, you can tap on the three dots at the top right of their screen and then tap on this install update. This will revert the app to its factory version that will free up some storage space taken by YouTube. In the pop-up below, you can simply tap on this OK option in order to do so. By doing so, you will be able to install YouTube from your device. So by following these steps, you should be able to install YouTube from your Android device. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.